Hi friends, welcome to Sealant Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to convert your tubeless tire into a puncture proof tire. So I will pour a fluid inside the tubeless tire and convert it into puncture proof tubeless tire. Please note this type of fluid can be poured both in tube tire and tubeless tire. So by pouring this fluid you can convert your tubeless tire or tube tire into complete puncture proof tire. So let's see how we can able to fill the fluid inside the tube. Let's start the project. So friend, I will try to pour the fluid inside this tube. So this is basically tubeless tire. So I have purchased this fluid from Flipkart. So first of all, remove the non-return valve from the nozzle. After that, shake the bottle well to mix the fluid properly, and then connect it with the help of tube and squeeze the bottle to fill the fluid inside the tube. Please note, different tire size will require different quantity of fluid. After that, clean the nozzle with the help of earbuds so that there must not be any remaining of the fluid inside the air nozzle. So after cleaning, you have to reinstall the non-return valve or the valve tube inside the nozzle. Please clean the nozzle as much as you can, else it will stuck the valve and the valve will not operate. Now reinstall the valve inside the air nozzle and fill the tire with the help of air compressor. So after that, you have to run the bike to make it complete. Friends, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe to Sealant Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscribers. Thank you.